Welcome to Sandringham, and this is the Wood and Craft Festival. Let's go. Oh, what we got?
10%.
Right.
10% discount of your first order.
Lovely.
Oh, handmade.
What is it?
Smell me.
Smell me. Oh, it's quite nice. Every year they have a massive festival here, and there's just so much to do and see. So we're going to show you through and eat. That's the most important thing.
Wow.
Starting off here at Candy Carnival Fudge.
Bailey Irish cream.
Oh, that's it. Alcohol.
Oh.
12 or 5 for 15 if you want to build on this.
Okay, what do you recommend? I don't drink, by the way, so Bailey's will use for that. Yeah.
We had an award with that one.
The raspberry ripple.
Lemon is really nice too.
This one look very nice as well.
It's very similar to Terry's chocolate orange in this segment.
Oreo cookie.
What about peanut butter?
So,
Right, do you know what? Can I just try a little something? I might get a box, I think. Okay, I'll have one of them. Right, I definitely want the chocolate orange. Salted caramel.
And the Bailey's.
Is there anything you want? Get a Bailey's for you. Put the Bailey's at the end though, so I know which one.
there is actually flavour in this, so there's no alcohol.
There's no alcohol. Oh, there's no alcohol at all. Oh, excellent. Oh, that's it, I can have it here.
Put it back.
Well, the money now, no alcohol in there.
Right.
Pay by
Good
cash or
selection
card.
you've got here. They're all wrapped individually as well.
Lovely.
Thank you
Superb.
very much.
And this is
Homemade fudge.
Candy Carnival Fudge. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Keep them at room temperature and they will keep ages.
I don't think they're going to last that long.
Probably won't be there for ages.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh my God. Wow.
Special selection for Mo.
You know what? I love this. Look. It's beautiful.
Happy? That's a good tap on that there.
No, I prefer that. Then I can have a cold drink.
Come on, mate. You like a bit of cheese. Something spicy.
This one's spicy, this is chilli that is.
Chili cheese.
Yeah, no problem, thank you.
Well, not for you though. Oh, it's quite hot.
Is it really? I didn't think it'd be that hot for you.
It's not like hot for me, but you can taste it.
Do you know what? It's got heat to it, isn't it? The difference between Asian and you can't have any. Gin and lemon cheese. Go on.
It's nice. Catch, please.
Yeah, that's £15 then, please.
Well, pockets like Mary Poppins, isn't it?
Everything in here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Very much, thank you, enjoy it.
Thank you. Come on. Come on. Leave the cheese alone. Chili honey sauce. My God, you could spend too much. Yes, you can't spend. Look at it, look.
Chris, you want to put your thing in there?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, chili one.
Chili. Gosh. Oh.
Have a try. Chili coolies.
Oh. Do you want? Would like to try one? Would you like to try anything? What's this one?
Mint garlic.
Mint garlic.
Mint garlic.
Oh wow.
It's nice.
Oh yeah.
Want some mixture? Just one portion?
How much are they though?
I don't know. How much in the box?
Who's by the weight?
Oh, by the way.
Sweet tea? Lemon? Basil?
Okay.
Thank you.
Just sort of buying something. We have no idea what we're buying.
Unique sweet baklava, pastry, onion, 17 carrots.
Sorry?
Card? 17.
£17.
17.
Oh. I don't really want it.
Mix, because it's very good.
It's a bit too much for me to be truthful with you. No, I'm alright. No, I'm good, thank you. No, I'm fine, honestly. Sorry about that. Sorry. It's all done by weight. Boss chucked it all in and then went, there you go, £17, please. I don't think so. I've not asked for this. After she said, oh, I'll make it cheaper, £10. I thought, right, okay. Sorry. But
What's that for?
YouTube.
I see myself on YouTube. I'm a copywriter. I'm going to copyright if I see myself on YouTube.
Okay, alright. I won't put you in it then. Well, there we have it.
You don't want any chips then?
No.
That's a big one. Isn't it?
Wants to be good. £9.50. Ah, you found a hat. You love a hat. You bought a hat in the last video.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. And that's you all over because it's got M. Probably all got M on them. They've all got M on them. But you got that colour.
Yeah, but this one.
Oh, that one's got M on it. Well, you're just going to buy a hat every video.
Why not?
I can't wear hats. Remember, I said this is the last one. Because I look like a bell end in them. Meanwhile, I've got to stand here looking like this. I know you do. I know you like it. We're not cutting sugar cane now.
I know. What is that nice?
Yeah, it is. It's a very pretty hat. The pink's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, I like them, but I think you said I'm look like I'm cutting rice.
Well, just saying, you know. It's a deep hat. It's nothing ill.
Okay, get
It's
my
just-
one back
It's a deep
then.
hat.
Get my one back.
Hey, you pull it off better than me.
Might fit you. No, it suit you.
I still look like a bell end.
One better guy.
Bell end.
Get our first beat of the day underway. Right, ladies and gentlemen, okay then. Let's count down from 5 and give these carvers a bit of assistance to start the speed call. Here we go then.
Speed call him.
4, 3, 2, 1. When the sun's going down, no stars in the sky, I'ma head down the road across county lines where they roll up the smoke, they pour beer and wine, and hearts break on the jukebox where the neon stars shine. Where the neon stars shine and the whiskey flow in the dark of the night, so nobody knows. We're hanging on a memory, we're hung out to dry, just doing our time where the neon stars shine, where the neon stars shine and the whiskey flows.
Handmade. They cut all the
Your
trees.
whole house is
Yeah,
it's made from people handmade it.
yeah,
One on the front, one on the back.
yeah,
Like the old cartoons.
yeah.
I don't think it's going to split. I was hoping it might
And
split.
I'm hung out to dry, just a doing our time, where
piggy smalls. No piggy with it. The notorious PRG. Well, I bought that sausage thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright, it's not
you
too bad.
want burger?
But what I really wanted was a burger. All I do is eat.
We're gonna burger.
They'll have a burger there. I mean, it's a burger for one. I'm pretty sure they'll have a burger. What about you? You need to eat.
Don't worry about me. I have to go out.
Got to start lining my stomach. While I'm chomping hard, you're getting hopefully the Greek experience. Yeah, having a planter combo. She'll pay you extra, don't worry. She'll pay you extra.
So much over £16, please. There you go. Thank
Wow.
you very much. No worries, lovely. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Hi, hello.
You some hot drink?
Huh? Where?
Coffee and donuts.
Oh, donuts, yes please.
Oh,
Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay. Yeah, look, it's a fat Buddha. Of all the places to find that, it's a fat Buddha. Found a Thai friend.
Philippines บางทีก็มาทักไปสวัสดีค่ะเขาบอกน้องไทย
Yes.
First time person I've ever seen
Do what?
of so like YouTube and stuff.
Yeah.
Right, really. What's it called? The channel?
The Thai Brit couple.
The Thai Brit couple.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you very much. Capcom Carb.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Well, I got myself some sugary donuts. You've got a cappuccino. So there you go. The fat Buddha. trying to hold the bag.
Just eat all the time. Every time I look at you eat. Oh shit, Toby. มาดิ Hairs all over my face.
Trick is you need to eat it. Make a mess.
Why you need to
And you-
make a mess?
You can't lick your lips. It's the game of donuts.
Can you just put all in one? I dare you. Put the whole donut in one.
One donut.
Yeah.
One donut all in one. But there's only one left.
Yeah, just put all in one.
Oh, how am I not diabetic yet?
You're not foul. You keep eating sugar. Wow, bloody hell, sugar. You're getting diabetic fat. Wow, what? Shove it in. Wax them in. You're gonna be sick later. 4
What?
donuts.
How do I look?
Good, suit you.
Have I found a hat that suits me?
Yeah.
Show me don't say bellend on it.
Where? Suit you. You think that suit him?
She just thinks I'm a twat.
Yeah. She thinks suit you.
She just thinks I'm a twat.
Suit you. Get one. Oh, mouth too big.
Miles too big.
Yeah.
Well, you got no 6s either.
It's just shame. I like it.
So they got a 5, but you wouldn't get a 5, would you?
No. I'm size 7.
Because you got big man feet. Sorry, that's so uncalled for.
I cut half of my feet off if that make you happy.
You're rocking the fashion in that dress though.
I'm gonna get one. Thank you. I've got £4 here. Have you got pound?
You got all my cash though.
I spent it already. Thank you.
That's what I want. Cheers.
Thank you.
Feed Toby. Toby, you can't eat the hamsters. Come on. He's just thinking food. They're all in detention.
Very summary. Oh God, I'm looking like pregnant now.
There's an outfit.
The dog
Oh, we're going to give you him. Give you that.
Casually have got cash.
That's a good point.
Again. One.
Oh no, sorry. Well, this is what happens when you carry all the cash.
Wow.
Wonderful. Well, there you go. It's cold. Let's go home.
Huh?
What are we doing?
Go get some olive.
Go and get some olives.
What, please?
So, we came in for what?
Cheese.
No,
Olive.
we came in for olives.
Spend £10. That's what we've got. Plus this
Yeah.
chili one for tenner. Let's go enjoy with our red wine.
What's the matter with it? Broke.
Can't hang it up now.
£5. Could have got an ice cream for that. That's where it's living.